If you are looking for new ways to succeed with video marketing, then you are in the right place. Be sure to watch this entire video, as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Video marketing is a type of content marketing and internet marketing technique for individuals or businesses create short videos about their brands, products, services. After they're finished, the videos are uploaded to video sharing websites like YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook for distribution and exposure on those social platforms. Those videos can also be hosted on your web server and embed on web pages for additional exposure. Do you know about video? 64% of marketers say video will take the major half of their strategies very soon, according to Nielsen. 69% is the amount of consumer internet traffic that video content will account for in the near future, told Cisco. 70% of marketers interviewed for a Vidyard's report say that video gets them higher conversions than any other type of content. 73% of U.S. adults are more likely to purchase a product or service after watching an online video explaining it. Videos attract 300% more traffic than any other kind of content. Video has a high level of shareability. Videos posted on Facebook are usually shared 2 times more than articles or images. 1 minute of video is worth 1.8 million words. It would take that insane amount of words to convey the same richness of information and emotional connection with a viewer using just plain text than what can be achieved from just 1 minute of video. Video marketing can bring in lots of benefits for your small business. It helps building your brand, beginning with increasing brand's trust and awareness. It helps engaging prospective customers. Video is naturally engaging, people will know you better and feel more inclined to buy from you. It helps improving your sites. Lower bounce rates, more time on site, Google ranks pages with videos higher, thus you'll get more visitors. It improves your email marketing campaigns. Link to or embed a video in an email to increase your open and click-through rates and reducing your unsubscribe rates. It helps with your conversions. Pages that include videos acquire more leads. For small businesses, it's crucial to offer easy-to-digest content. This is where video comes in. I've already shown you how video marketing can be such a powerful tool. If you combine images and words in a video, you can tell your story in a creative and engaging way. Your message will be communicated much better and faster than with written content. You don't need a big production or to spend money hiring a professional videographer. Content Samurai is a brand new video creator software. It takes all of the features of other video makers, and combines them into one awesome online tool that every internet marketer or small business owner needs. You don't need to download or install anything on your computer. With a fun, intuitive, simple and easy-to-use interface and a step-by-step approach, you can take your existing blog posts or pre-written scripts into professional-looking videos within minutes, with just a few mouse clicks, without absolutely zero editing experience. What are Content Samurai's pros? Simple to use. Intuitive and task-oriented interface. You don't need prior editing experience to work it with. Drag and point and click quick actions to make it work. It's an online tool. No download or software installation required. The previous point means you can use it on any computer. With just a few clicks, and a few minutes, you can have your video ready to be uploaded to YouTube, Facebook or your own server. Content Samurai is a pretty good and cool tool you can use easily without any prior video editing experience. That is sure going to help you get rankings, and much more traffic to your website or online business. With this tool, video marketing for small businesses becomes much more accessible and affordable. If you need to create a video, I recommend Content Samurai for your video marketing campaigns. Click the link below this video to check out Content Samurai discount today.
Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video, as we guarantee it will be worth your time.